True spirituality is fascinating as a mother shut your mouth. For example, do you know that you're actually more conscious and awake when you're asleep? It's because the physical ego and logical mind take a rest, and your native consciousness takes over. Dreams can seem so nonsensical because your soul is trying to translate experiences that are nothing like your physical waking experiences into something you can relate to your physical experience. This is why understanding ancient esoteric symbolism works and can be so helpful with your dream imagery. All symbols can have multiple layers of meaning. For example, a fire could represent warmth, light, and desire. Light can symbolize enlightenment or wisdom. When you grab a dream dictionary, you just stuff your inner night journey into someone else's beliefs about the symbols. In your dreams, you connect to your guides, ancestors, previous lives, other aspects of your present life, aliens from other star systems and other dimensions, past lives and future lives that all can have knowledge and information for you to help you on the present journey of life. Your consciousness does not rest when your body sleeps. So many people fear going to hell when they die, but you already know what death is like. You experience it every single night. When you sleep, you're more woke.